unlimited free business email with Gmail. Just come and then click on the create address, and when it comes at the custom address, simply come and put in the preface that you prefer. It can be anything, name or anything, okay? But I'm going to put in work to make it professional, okay? So after putting in the preface that you prefer, just like this one, what that you have to do is simply come to the action side where we have the action, and then come and select send to an email, okay? So that every message will be sent to an email for us, okay? That I simply come down here to where we have the destination, just like this one, and then come and put in the Gmail address that you prefer that all your messages are going to be directed to, okay? That I simply come down here to where we have the save, and then come and click on the save. That is all, okay? So after that, when you scroll down here, you are going to see that we have successfully created our professional business email, just like this one, for totally free. And then when you come to the action side, you are going to see that from the destination, it is going to be sent to our preferred Gmail, okay? And then not only that, it is totally active. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in this video, okay? Just go to Google and then type in Cloudflare, just like this one, Cloudflare, and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official side of Cloudflare, just like this one. It will bring you right here to their dashboard, okay? Simply come here and come and click on the sign up, okay? So when you click on the sign up, they have several plans that we can go for, but we are going to go for the free plan, okay? With the free plan, you pay $0 per month, just like this one, okay? So all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the add a website, and then come and select add website. So when you click on it, you have to simply sign up, a short sign up with your email address. You create a strong password, okay? That I simply come here and then come and check the box to verify that you are human. So after checking the box and then you are successfully verified, simply come down here to where we have the sign up, and then come and click on the sign up, okay? So after that, it is going to bring you right here, and then what you need is that you need a domain name, okay? So you need an existing domain name, and there is a bonus to this video. I am having a full video in the video description. Just click on it and then watch it, and then create your free domain name without paying any money. Yes, it is totally free, okay? So I'm going to use this free domain that I have been able to get without paying any money. After that, I'm simply going to come here to where we have the continue, and then click on the continue. So it is going to bring me directly to my Cloudflare dashboard, and then just scroll down here to where we have the free account, and then make sure that it is selected, okay? Because you are going to create this business email for totally free. After that, simply come here to where we have the continue, and then come and click on the continue. Yes, we have successfully created our account, and as you can see, it has been linked to our Cloudflare account, and then the status is pending name service, okay? We have to update it. Simply come in and click on the update, and then over here, all that you are going to do is that when you scroll down, you are going to see that we have all the information that we need in order to update our name server, okay? So as you can see, we have to update our name service, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So all that you have to do is simply come here, and then we are going to copy the name servers from the Cloudflare, and then go and then paste it to our domain name hosting, okay? So all that you have to do is simply go to the domain name hosting. That is the one having the video description, okay? Simply come here to the domains, and then come and click on it. When you click on the domains, you're going to see this is my free domain, and then all that you have to simply do is simply come here to the manage, and then come and click on it. So when you click on the manage, simply come here to the manage, and then come and then select the name service, okay? So when you select it, as you have the name service here, it is at the default. We have to create our own. So come and then select use custom service, okay? And then over here, you are going to see the name server 1, just like this one, and then the name server 2, just like this one. We are going to copy the Cloudflare name server by simply come and click on the copy, and then let's go back to our domain, and then come and then highlight it, and then come and paste that of the Cloudflare, okay? Just like this one. Let's do the exact same thing to the option 2, copy it as well, and then go back to our domain hosting, and then come and highlight the name server 2, and then come and paste that of the Cloudflare, okay? Just like this one. That I simply scroll down here and then come and click on the change name service. Okay, click on it, and that is all. So when you look here, it says changes saved successfully. That is good. After that, all that you have to do is simply go back to the Cloudflare dashboard. Okay, and then simply come here to where it says Cloudflare will periodically check for the name service updates. Just come here and then come and click on check name service now, because we have pasted it already. Okay, and when you click on it, it is going to take some few hours for it to finish the checking process. Don't worry, just relax. Okay, and since we are relaxing and then waiting for it, let's go to our email and then come and then verify our Cloudflare account. Okay, so as you can see, the message is here, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the link down below to verify our Cloudflare account by simply clicking on the link, and that is it. It is verified. Okay, so now let's log into our domain accounts by simply coming to simply put the domain name right here. As I said, I'm having a video down in the video description to show you how to get a free domain, okay, for totally free. That I simply come and then click on the continue, and as you can see, the domain is already added. That is good. Simply come and then click on go to the domain. Okay, just click on it, and then you are going to be logged into your dashboard just like this one. Okay, so when you look at the top section, as you can see, it is still pending name service update. We simply have to wait for it. Okay, so when you scroll down again, you are going to see that it says that we have already sent it already, so we have to wait for some hours. Okay, so after waiting for a few hours, I think 20 minutes or so, I refreshed the page, and then as you can see, the status has changed to active, and that is good. So when you come down here, you are going to see that great news. Now our Cloudflare is protecting our domain. That is good. We can now go ahead and then create it. Okay, so from the overview, you simply come to the emails and then click on it, and then we are then going to start to create our professional emails by simply coming here to where it says get started. Okay, and then simply come and click on the get started. So when you click on it, we can then create our custom business email. Okay, simply come to the custom side and then come and put in your preferred preface. It can be your first name, it can be work if it is professional, added to that of your domain. Okay, so I'm simply going to put in my preface. Okay, after that, simply come here to send to an email, and then the destination, come and then click on the down arrow. Okay, when you click on it, come and then select the destination email, and then come and put in the Gmail address that you prefer. Okay, so let's first put in the custom address. I'm going to put in my nickname. Okay, so that is Nag, just like this one. You can change it to work if you want it. You can put in anything that you want. Okay, so I'm going to put in Nag, that is my nickname. Okay, after that, I'm simply coming to come down here to the destination and then put in the Gmail address that I prefer. Okay, so I'm going to put in the Gmail address that I want all my messages to be sent to, and that is Nagday, just like this one. Okay, so after putting in the Gmail address that you prefer, simply scroll down. Okay, and then come to create and continue, then come and click on it. So when you click on it, what you have to do next is that, as you can see, so the destination address has been verified. Okay, so when you look at the status, you can see that that is the destination address, and then the status says it is verified. Okay, what that you have to do now is to simply come here to where we have the continue and then come and click on the continue. Good. So now what you have to do is that they are going to configure our DNS. Okay, for this one, just scroll down and then just click on yes, continue the configuration. Okay, so when you click on it, what that you have to do is to simply come and then check your email to see that they have sent you this status saying that your DNS is now configured and then everything is complete. So when you receive this email, simply come back and then come to the DNS. Okay, and then come and check that you have all your DNS record here, just like this one, and then all your name service records here, just like this one. That is good. So when you have it, simply go to the email and then come and click on it, and then come here to the destination addresses and then come and click on it, so that you get to know that your destination email is here. Okay, So as you can see, we can create up to 200 destination email address if you want. Okay, that makes it unlimited. So when you come here to the routing rules, just come and then select that one, and then simply come to the catch all addresses, and then come and make sure that it is checked by simply going to the status. You see it is disabled, just come and click on it for it to be active. Okay, good. And then after that, all that you have to do is just come and then check your our business email, just like this one. It has been created here at the custom address, and then the destination, the action is sent to an email, and the email that we prefer is our Gmail address. Okay, so as you can see, everything is created successfully, and then the status is active. We have successfully created our Gmail address. Okay, so we can simply come and then create another by clicking on create address, and then come and put in the custom one. So I'm going to put in this one as work. After that, simply come here to the action. As I said, come and click on it, and then make sure that you select send to an email. Okay, so just select that one. After that, simply come to the destination address. Okay, and then come and make sure that you are putting in the required or the preferred Gmail address that you want all your messages to be sent to. After that, simply come to the save, and then come and click on the save. Okay, so as you can see from here, we have successfully created another business email address, and as I said, it is totally free without paying any money. Okay, and then from the destination, this is our email address that we want it to be sent to. Okay, so let's check if it is working by going to email and then click on compose, and then let's try to send something to our professional business address. Okay, by putting it here. So this is our professional email address, and then let's try to put the subject as, or write a subject as testing to see if it works. Okay, just like this one, and then the main body, let's ask if it worked. Okay, so hey, did it work, with a question mark. Yes, and then let's try to send it to our business address to see if it's worked. Okay, by simply coming down here to the send, and then click on the send, and then let's go and check. As you can see, message has been sent, so let's go and check our business at the email address that we send it to. So from the inbox, you can see that the message has been sent successfully, and here is it, testing to see if it works. Let's click on this to see, and it is totally here. It has worked successfully. It is totally free. We have been able to create our business email for free, and as I said, it is unlimited. Just like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.